Okay, guys, ever wanted a simple way to show off your customer reviews without a messy, cluttered layout? Most review sections just feel overwhelming. Well, this section keeps it clean and trustworthy. Today, we're adding this trusted reviews section to your store, and honestly, it's such a great way to build instant credibility with a bold star rating and a clean breakdown. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Testimonial number 5. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchased sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for SK Trusted Reviews. Then choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its settings open up on the left side. First, let's check out all three layouts. You can use whichever one you like. I'll just go with the first layout for now, and the width is already set to max. Below that comes the review count text. Let's lower this a bit since I don't have that many customers just yet. Let's scroll down and shorten the heading too, something like this. Below that is the description and button, which already look good to me, and you can also change the button's link if you want to direct customers to reviews on another platform, like Trustpilot. You can easily add that link here too. After that come the colors, which you can adjust based on your own store's theme. Personally, I really like black and white, so I'll go with that. Sorry guys, I made a small mistake there, that's why I couldn't quite use those colors. Anyway, here's the final result. Once you're happy with everything, hit Save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.